Hi, I'm Dan Root, Senior Analyst with Wainhouse Research. We're a market analyst and research firm that focuses exclusively on enterprise communications. Think of the services, devices, and technologies that enable you and your employees to communicate and collaborate daily. Earlier this year, Yamaha began shipping its ADECIA solution. The initial product launch consists of 4 components, which together provide professional-grade audio in nearly any situation. Let's first look at the 4 components. There's a ceiling array microphone, which is paired to an audio processor, an L2 network switch equipped with PoE+, and 2 line array PoE+ powered speakers. The ADECIA product family addresses pain points of installed audio by streamlining installation and configuration at a time when human capital is in short supply across North America and Europe, reducing both costs and lead times for installation. Additionally, the system can be remotely managed to ensure continuity while reducing maintenance costs when compared to traditionally installed and programmed systems. In this short video, I'd like to share with you some of the highlights from Wainhouse's first look at the ADECIA product portfolio. While the challenges of installed audio are well known, the timing of this solution could not be better, as 85% of surveyed employees expected shared spaces to require updates for hybrid meetings. As IT and AV continue to merge within the enterprise, the emphasis around managed, low-maintenance solutions within shared spaces will continue to come into focus. The days of quarterly adjustments or on-site resources to tune and maintain installed audio are waning, giving way to scalable solutions that self-identify, auto-tune, and enable user-friendly interactions. Now, as an IT decision maker, how do you make it easy for an end user to use a product, easy for IT staff to configure that said product as well as manage it without interrupting a workflow or scheduled meetings within a space? Then once scaled to all of your meeting spaces, how do you tie a solution seamlessly into your other device management tools such that you can deploy, provision, and manage like any other part of your AV and IT infrastructure? So first, let's take a look at the ADECIA solution. ADECIA has been designed from the ground up to solve the nuances of installed audio. The centerpiece of the solution is the RMCG, or the ceiling array microphone, which can pass through up to 4 individual beams of audio at any time. The microphone is connected via a single network cable back to a credenza or closet, or a Dante-equipped SWR series L2 network switch with PoE+ brings together the microphone, the RMCR audio processor, and the PoE+ powered VXL 16P speakers. The RMCR is built to reduce or eliminate the need for specialized labor requirements, meaning it can be installed and configured by a level 1 technician, if not your in-house IT resource. From the unique way the RMCG microphone array mounts into the ceiling tile to the single cable connections, the install process is straightforward for anyone with minimal technology experience. Together, the solution provides professional-grade audio to small, medium-sized, and when paired with a second RMCG, as in the infographic, large meeting spaces as well. Upon initial startup, you can tune the system for the room using the auto configuration process, or as an IT administrator, adjust the calibration as needed within the configuration settings. Using the auto configure, confirm your components, check that the speakers are correctly connected, and let the system run a script that plays white noise at varying volumes within the space. Once complete, the room is ready to be used. The tuning experience is an instrumental improvement over previous configuration processes, featuring a user flow typically reserved for premium consumer offerings. After setting up a single room, it becomes clear that this functionality will significantly reduce the resources needed to maintain a meeting room. The resulting audio is clear and intelligible for the remote participants, even in the event that multiple speakers within the room are talking at the same time. As meeting spaces evolved over the last year to include more distance between in-room participants, fewer occupants within a given room, and increased reliance on conferencing infrastructure, so have the requirements of the peripherals used to meet and collaborate with remote participants. ADECIA offers a refreshing answer to these increasingly familiar challenges, from streamlining the installation process to reducing the skill set needed to deploy. The system was designed to help businesses and integrators deliver a reliable, professional-grade audio experience. Combine these innovations with a straightforward user interaction, and the result is an audio system that can be scaled to almost any room. There's a lot to like within this system. With a focus on solving real-world pain points, ADECIA addresses the age-old challenge of poor in-room audio quality for integrators, administrators, and users alike. The timing of this new product family is exceptional as the ITDMs are currently preparing for returning to the office and the resulting hybrid work use cases. With the value propositions including ease of install, ease of management, and the simplicity of day-to-day use, the Yamaha UC ADECIA system should address the market needs of both ITDMs and end users alike. I'm Dan Root with Wainhouse Research, and I want to thank you for taking the time to listen and watch this video.